Looking for affordable makeup that actually works? I tested a full face using budget-friendly products, and here's everything you need to know.
Starting with primers, I'm using Insight and Lakmé. Both help smooth the skin and create a nice base for makeup. They feel lightweight and give a soft, even finish. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It blends easily into the skin, gives a natural matte finish, and is perfect for everyday wear. For concealer, I'm using Swiss Beauty. It provides good coverage, brightens the under eyes, and blends seamlessly without feeling heavy. Setting everything with Lakmé loose powder to lock the base in place and keep it looking fresh. Moving on to eyes, this Swiss Beauty palette has beautiful shades that are easy to blend and perfect for both soft and glam looks. Adding Mars mascara to give volume and length to the lashes. It really opens up the eyes. For blush, I'm using Inside Cram Blush. It adds a natural flush and blends beautifully into the skin. Setting the makeup with Swiss Beauty setting spray to make everything last longer and look fresh. Adding a touch of glow with Inside highlighter for that soft, radiant finish. Finishing the look with lip liners, Kajal, eyeliner, and eyebrow pencils from Insight, Mars, and Lakmé. These are super affordable and perfect for defining your features. And finally, topping it off with Blue Heaven lipstick and lip gloss for the perfect glossy finish. Affordable, effective, and totally worth it. Which product was your favorite?